Imagine this. You've just had a conversation with her. Maybe it was brief, maybe it was deep. But as you walk away, you wonder, is she thinking about me right now? Wouldn't it be powerful if, throughout her day, she found her thoughts drifting back to you again and again in ways she can't explain? What if you could leave such a lasting impression that you linger in her mind long after you're gone? Here's the truth. Making a woman think of you all day isn't about playing games, pretending to be someone you're not, or memorizing tired pickup lines. It's about understanding subtle psychological triggers, developing magnetic habits, and embodying qualities that spark genuine attraction and intrigue. In this video, we're going to reveal the key habits and principles that will not only make her notice you, but keep you on her mind. We'll break it down into 8 essential lessons, each one designed to make you a man who captivates, who intrigues, and who remains unforgettable. If you're ready to elevate your presence, develop a stronger sense of self, and understand the art of subtle influence, then stay with us. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to naturally draw her thoughts back to you, without ever having to force it. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. The power of presence. One of the most attractive qualities you can possess is being fully present in any interaction. In a world where distractions are everywhere, your ability to give undivided attention makes you unforgettable. Being present doesn't just mean hearing her words, it means actively listening, maintaining eye contact, and engaging with empathy. The Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius once said, "Give yourself the gift of presence." This applies to your relationships as much as your inner life. When you engage with her, put away your phone, avoid interrupting, and let her feel that in that moment nothing else exists. This creates a sense of connection that she'll reflect on long after you part ways. Your focus makes her feel valued and heard, which sparks a deeper emotional connection. That memory lingers, and she'll find herself replaying those conversations in her mind throughout the day. However, presence isn't just about being there physically, it's about the quality of your energy. Are you calm, confident, and steady? When you radiate these qualities, you provide a sense of stability that leaves a lasting impression. When you leave, the absence of that presence will make her miss it. And you. Lesson 2. Cultivate mystery and restraint. Mystery isn't about being aloof or secretive. It's about not revealing everything about yourself all at once. In the words of Epictetus, "Nature hath given men one tongue but 2 ears, that we may hear from others twice as much as we speak." This principle of restraint can be incredibly powerful in your interactions. High-value men understand that creating intrigue comes from revealing themselves gradually, allowing curiosity to build naturally. When you hold back just enough information, you give her room to wonder about you. Share your stories and experiences in layers rather than overwhelming her with everything at once. Ask thoughtful questions and show genuine interest in her life, while maintaining an air of quiet confidence about your own. Additionally, avoid oversharing on social media or through texts. Let your life's highlights be revealed in person, where your presence enhances the impact. This subtle restraint creates a sense of anticipation, making her eager to learn more about you. The mind naturally gravitates toward what it doesn't fully understand, and that curiosity will keep you in her thoughts. Lesson 3. Demonstrate purpose and ambition. A man with a clear sense of purpose and ambition is inherently captivating. Women are drawn to those who know where they're headed and are committed to growth and self-mastery. In Stoicism, living according to one's values and purpose is essential. As Seneca stated, "To live is to be useful to others." When you focus on your mission in life, you become someone who inspires respect and admiration. Your ambitions don't need to be grandiose, they simply need to be genuine and pursued with passion. Whether it's your career, fitness goals, creative pursuits, or personal development, your dedication sends a powerful signal. It shows that you're not seeking external validation, you're driven by internal standards. When she sees that you're dedicated to your path, it makes her think of you with respect and curiosity. She'll wonder what motivates you, what dreams you're chasing, and how you maintain such focus. This sense of purpose makes you stand out in a sea of distractions and leaves a lasting impression that lingers in her mind. Lesson 4. The art of subtle compliments. Compliments, when given genuinely and sparingly, can have a powerful impact. The key is to offer praise that's specific, thoughtful, and reflects something you truly admire about her. Instead of generic flattery, focus on qualities that reflect her personality, intelligence, or style. For example, rather than saying, "You look nice," you might say, "I really admire how you carry yourself with such confidence." Stoicism teaches the importance of sincerity and authenticity. Epictetus reminds us, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." By listening carefully and noticing the details others might miss, you can offer insights that surprise her and show that you're genuinely paying attention. Another powerful technique is to give compliments that reflect her uniqueness. If she's passionate about something, acknowledge her dedication. If she shares an idea, appreciate her perspective. These subtle compliments affirm her value and leave her thinking about how you see her differently than anyone else does. When your words stand out, they'll replay in her mind, reinforcing your presence in her thoughts. Lesson 5. Emotional intelligence and empathy. Emotional intelligence is one of the most powerful tools a man can wield. Women appreciate men who not only understand their own emotions, but are also sensitive to the feelings of others. This quality reflects emotional maturity, empathy, and an ability to connect on a deeper level. When you show that you're in tune with your own emotions and can respond thoughtfully to hers, you create a bond that's hard to forget. One way to demonstrate emotional intelligence is by validating her feelings. Listen closely when she shares something personal and respond in a way that shows understanding. For example, if she talks about a stressful day at work, acknowledge her experience instead of rushing to offer solutions. Saying something like, "That sounds really challenging. I can see why you'd feel that way," shows you're present and empathetic. Another aspect of emotional intelligence is being vulnerable without overdoing it. Sharing your own thoughts and challenges in a measured way makes you relatable and authentic. When she sees that you're comfortable with your emotions, it invites her to think about you with warmth and trust. This kind of connection lingers in her mind, making her appreciate your depth and sensitivity long after your conversation ends. Lesson 6. Confidence without arrogance. Confidence is universally attractive, but the kind of confidence that makes a lasting impression is grounded in humility and authenticity. True confidence comes from knowing your worth, being comfortable in your own skin, and having the courage to express yourself honestly. Arrogance, on the other hand, is a facade that ultimately pushes people away. Women are drawn to men who exude quiet strength, those who don't need to prove anything to anyone. In practice, this means holding your head high, speaking clearly, and maintaining strong body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and move with purpose. When you engage with her, share your thoughts without hesitation, but remain open to hearing hers. A confident man doesn't dominate conversations. He shares the space and listens actively. Confidence also means being decisive and taking the lead when appropriate. Whether it's choosing a restaurant, planning an activity, or expressing your feelings, a decisive attitude shows self-assurance. At the same time, avoid bragging or seeking constant validation. The balance of self-assuredness and humility leaves a powerful impression, making her think about you as someone she can respect and rely on. Lesson 7. The power of scarcity and distance. One of the fundamental principles of human psychology is that people value what is scarce. When you're always available, your presence may be taken for granted. High-value men understand that creating a bit of distance can increase desire and make them more memorable. This doesn't mean playing games or being unresponsive. It's about maintaining your own life and priorities while allowing space for her to miss you. A man who is constantly busy with meaningful activities projects an image of someone who values his time. When you're not always immediately available, it signals that you have a life of your own. This absence creates anticipation and allows her to reflect on the time you spend together. She'll begin to wonder what you're up to, and that curiosity keeps you on her mind. Additionally, when you do spend time with her, make it quality time. Focus on creating memorable experiences rather than quantity. Whether it's a deep conversation, an exciting activity, or a simple, heartfelt moment, these interactions will stand out. When you're not around, these memories will replay in her mind, making her anticipate your next encounter. Lesson 8: Authenticity and Integrity. Perhaps the most powerful way to stay on her mind is by being genuinely authentic. In a world full of superficial interactions, authenticity stands out. This means embracing who you truly are, living by your values, and being consistent in your words and actions. Stoicism teaches the importance of integrity, being true to yourself and doing what is right, regardless of external opinions. When you are authentic, you don't try to be someone you're not to impress her. You express your thoughts honestly, even if they aren't popular. You're open about your goals, interests, and boundaries. This level of sincerity builds trust and respect. Women can sense when a man is being genuine, and this reliability leaves a lasting impact. Integrity also means keeping your promises and being dependable. If you say you're going to do something, follow through. Consistency in your actions builds a reputation of reliability. When you embody authenticity and integrity, she'll think of you as someone unique, someone who stands out from the crowd. Your authenticity becomes memorable, and she'll naturally find herself reflecting on you. These 8 lessons outline the deeper principles that go beyond surface-level attraction. By practicing presence, cultivating mystery, showing emotional intelligence, exuding confidence, and maintaining authenticity, you become a man who naturally captivates her thoughts. These habits are not about tricks or manipulation. They're about genuine self-improvement and respect. If you found these insights helpful and want to keep learning how to master the art of self-mastery and attraction, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Join our community of individuals committed to becoming the best versions of themselves. Remember, attraction begins with authenticity, and your journey toward excellence starts now. Until next time, stay strong, stay true, and keep growing.